Okay, tell me the word
Okay,
and
so
I'll have to write
I was thinking about like a nice sentence which you can learn and you can use. So the sentence really means that you are like very welcome, but you cannot really translate every single word because it's kind of like an idiom. So it works in Polish, but you cannot really. But the meaning is like you are welcome, and it's jesteś,
Jesteś?
Jesteś.
mile,
Mile?
Jesteś mile.
jesteś mile, widziany.
Widziany.
Vijana. So it's nice to see you, kind of, but it means that you are very welcome. So you can like use it whenever you see somebody, and it means that you are like open-hearted and open-minded, and you are like kind of welcoming the person.
Jesteś
Mile,
mile.
widziany,
Widziany.
widziany. It's widziany.
Oh, widziany.
Jesteś mile widziany.
Jesteś mile widziany.
Great, yeah. Wow. You sound like Polish people.
Thinking, no, I'm sorry, I went to Poland last year, but I didn't learn a single word really.
Yeah, it's
Been
like
there for a few
many,
days.
Yeah, many people now like speak English, so you don't have to really learn. No?
Yeah, it was quite nice because it's some holidays. There were even some Polish people obviously live in England, like back for the holidays, seeing their grandparents, stuff like that. Children speaking English and parents speaking Polish.
It's funny
in
one of the,
Krakow.
I think she was a Russian. She collapsed outside my house, and a few Europeans came, but from different countries, about 5 or 6 of them, went to help her. They couldn't communicate because only one could speak English, one guy could speak English, and she was just outside my house. So I went out and I said, is everything all right? And this guy answered, yes, but she can't speak our language, she can't speak English. She can only speak, I think, Polish or Russian, I don't know. And all the others are from different nationalities, so they couldn't talk. And in the end, the only word she understood was police. So my daughter came, said, okay, we'll call the police and say there is a lady in distress. You know, what can we do? We couldn't leave her there because she was collapsed on the floor. And then about 5 minutes later, she got up and she walked away. When she heard the word police, she didn't want to.
She was scared.
But she was genuinely in some sort of problem.